Phenix, Marrum. Phenix English. The Phenix is a smock mill in Marrum, Friesland, Netherlands, which was built in 1917. The mill has been restored to working order and is used to train millers. It is listed as a Rijksmonument, number 15,602. History. The first mill on this site was built by millwright J.T. King of Turnard in 1845. It drained the forward polder. In August 1916, it was struck by lightning and burnt down. To replace it, the sawmill de Phenix was moved from Leeuwarden. At one time, the mill was fitted with patent sails. Auxiliary power was originally by a portable engine, later replaced by a Peter McLaren diesel engine. On 4 May 1976, the mill was sold to Stichting de Frisk Mol English Frisian Mills Foundation. New sails were fitted in 1977 and a new Archimedes screw was fitted in 1983. Since 1977, the mill has been used as a training mill where millers can learn their craft. Further restoration work was carried out in 1997. Description. De Phenix is what the Dutch describe as a grondzeiler. It is a two-story smock mill on a single-story base. There is no stage, the sails reaching almost to ground level. The mill is winded by tailpole and winch. The smock and cap are thatched. The sails are common sails. They have a span of 21.50 meters, 70 ft 6 in. The sails are carried on a cast iron windshaft, which was cast by Prins van Orange, The Hague, South Holland in 1888. The windshaft also carries the brake wheel, which has 60 cogs. This drives the wallower 33 cogs at the top of the upright shaft. At the bottom of the upright shaft, the crown wheel, which has 39 cogs, drives a gear wheel with 32 cogs on the axle of the Archimedes screw. The axle of the Archimedes screw is 480 mm 1 ft 7 in diameter. The screw is 1.60 meters 5 ft 3 in diameter and 5.30 meters 17 ft 5 in long. It is inclined at 17 deg. Each revolution of the screw lifts 1272 liters 280 imp-gal of water. Public access. De Phenix is open to the public by appointment. References